The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good day, traders, and welcome to today's webinar. It's Wednesday live trading session. And as always, we have our live webinars on each Monday and Wednesday. So today we will see new possible setups, but also have in mind that it's a strong news related day to day, and we might see some two-way trading possibilities, mostly because later today we will have FOMC meeting minutes. But as you know, and as you can see, most of our trade setups went fine from Monday, and definitely price has started to move. I'm very happy how it goes. Basically, GBP dollar dropping, GBP yen dropping, GBP pairs definitely were the best to trade. And at this point, it looks like the GBP and even euro dollar downtrend is going to continue. So I'm very, very excited because mostly, as you know, we trade trends. So before we start, have in mind that patience is the key to trading success. And guys, have in mind that Forex and CFD are leveraged products, can result in losses that exceed your deposits. And also have in mind that in order to trade, you need to accept this risk disclaimer. Also have in mind that this presentation and video is for informational and educational purposes only, and everything you see here is basically my personal trading ideas and setups. Okay, why do we trade with our markets UKLD? Excellent index offerings, of course, order sizes, order execution, and of course, excellent leverage options of up to 1 to 500. Guys, it's very important that you have the leverage, because when you have the leverage, it's easier to manage smaller accounts, and of course, it's easier to get uh, recovered from a drawdown, of course, providing that you know what you're doing. It's very important that you actually know what you're doing. So leverage is the key, but you need always to use it wisely. Okay. Next thing is rules and setups. We use POC zones, master candle setups, bullways, and price action. Everything you see here is my personal opinion trades. We do market or pending orders. We don't do scalping. It's either positional or breakout trading. When we don't see a setup, we don't trade. That is why we use pending orders. Also, once you're in a trade, you need to do your own trading management. I give you setups. It's up to you how you will manage it. But of course, I recommend to protect your profits. It's very important, guys, that you protect your profits. And also, it's important that you trade like professionals. Okay? Losing is part of the business. Okay? So keep your risk under control. It's crucial, guys, that you keep your risk under control, because basically when you trade the price, you're trading the risk. It's very, very, very important. Pending orders are from Wednesday till Friday, so if you see pending order, you can try to use it. And Monday orders can be either market, or so if I get in a trade during the webinar, or pending orders. Also, Friday is day to take profit, so be careful. Use profit stops, and of course, follow me on Tarantula FX, okay, on Twitter, and you can always see my latest updates. So this is the first trading opportunity. Honestly, guys, I've been trading a euro dollar today a lot, and I have done some nice trades on euro dollar. And basically, this is what I see again. Of course, ideally, it would be that these setups happen before the FOMC, or if we don't see any surprise from the FOMC, I guess that even then these setups will be valid. But we really don't want to see any surprise from the FOMC. Also, it's important to understand that euro dollar is really in a nice downtrend. I will show you now the chart. Give me a few seconds. So here, guys, this is the euro dollar, and you can see that it's very, very bearish. Definitely, the price is heading the desired direction. And I said multiple times that I'm really bearish. For all of you who traded counter trend setups, I personally haven't traded counter trend setups, but here, guys, this was counter trend setup that I gave you on Monday. So if you traded it, you could have made 113 possible pips, because 1721 is monthly L5, is the strongest monthly support. And when we see that strongest monthly support is broken like this, okay, then we know that there is a strong trend that I think that euro dollar is heading towards 1634. So definitely I'm selling on rallies, and I will be selling on rallies until I see a clear sign that the trend has changed. Today we had two possible trading opportunities, and these trading opportunities were very, very good. In my opinion, you could have made two trades from the same zone, and that is what I like to see, because especially yesterday was not very good day to trade, but again, this is really, really, really a nice setup. And guys, well, you know that I'm always honest with you, so a lot of traders actually asked me, is it possible, Nenad, that we can bring your account as you did? Because I always show my results. And they asked me, how did you manage to make 800, 900 euros from 300 euros? And I said, it's of course experience, guys. But it's not just the experience. It's basically what you do. Are you actually a trader who manages risk correctly? It's, as I say, it's all about the risk. So here you can see a deposit 300 euros and profit is 867. And I had a losing day yesterday, okay, because I traded a few pairs that haven't been very good. Dollar yen, I thought it should go up, and it was going up for some 18, 20 pips, and then it dropped. I didn't protect my profits. But GBP dollar was even worse. It went up and down, and I lost a second trade with GBP dollar, and I wasn't happy. And then during the night, I had a GBP dollar sell. I closed my GBP dollar sell. I was very, very happy how it went. The GBP dollar sell was very, very good. I entered, I think it was 34, 33 or 4 or 40, I mean on different accounts, but anywhere between 34, 30 and 40, and I grabbed profits at 33.85, and today I had two great trades with euro dollars, so I managed to grab more than 100 pips. Yeah, I mean, I went with, I made 100 pips, and again, this account has been tripled. You see, it's basically from 300 to 8 to now it's above 1,000 and 167. So yeah, I mean, it's okay. I am waiting for this account to, I want to break personal record, honestly, on small accounts. I'm talking about small accounts. My personal record with small accounts is making 2,500 from 300 euros. And I'm trying to repeat it again. Of course, I'm talking about small accounts. I'm not talking about big accounts like 100,000 or 50,000. Just from small accounts, it's a nice challenge also to me, because guys, I don't do demo trading. I never do demo trading except if I connected some trade copier on demo account and then I traded. But mostly 99.9% of the time, I only trade only exclusively live accounts, and that is a challenge for me. So basically, yes, on my FX book you can see that I have only live accounts and one demo account. But that demo account, I haven't traded it for a long time. It was just for a trade copier, and it was good, like 18% on 100K. So yeah, it was a bit maybe overstretched. My goal was to make 15, then I made a bit more and I stopped trading it. And now only live accounts, of course. And yeah, this is what I like to show also, guys, that it's possible to make money if you actually, well, if you know what you're doing. And that is why I'm here to help you out, guys. Okay, so enough from this. Let's talk about setups. Yes, Gulat. Risk management is the key. So dollar yen. Why did we lose dollar yen, guys? I mean, this was a huge uptrend. Watch this. 4-hour time frame. Mind the gap here. The gap was closed here. This is the zone, right? But I didn't expect that the price will be so violent, and equities were dropping during the night, and also equities dragged along with yen. Dollar yen is heavily connected to equities, and when equities is dropping, dollar yen will drop along with them. So you know, guys, it's I didn't expect that dollar yen will only make some 25 pips from this spot. And I had some good success initially with this trade, but I failed to protect my profits. And watch this, bang. Yes, Gulat, I need to agree with you. Gulat is saying flight of capital to save heaven is possibly the reason. Yeah, I think it's definitely the truth, because yen is getting stronger, guys, and the yen is always a great gauge of strength. I repeated many times before, when you have a yen strength, you have 100% risk off sentiment. Gold is going up, commodities prices go down, equities is going down, and yen strengthens as a result. Because the Japanese can get cheap credit, they tend to invest overseas heavily. When it's risky, they bring the money, creating demand for yen, and vice versa. When it's bullish equities, they pump their money overseas, which means they sell yen and buy foreign currency. So guys, it's called repatriating. Okay, they are doing repatriation. They bring back the money supply. Okay, and definitely it's always the fact, when yen is going up, guys, when yen is stronger, you have a strong risk off sentiment, and that's the key, Gulat. Indeed, it's a flight of capital to save heaven. Risk off. Kalian is saying from technical perspective, he looked from a different way. 110.90 is a support gap below that. Yeah, I mean, it's okay. I still think you're right, but you know, I mean, I cannot underestimate this bullish zigzag. And this is, I mean, guys, this is still bullish. Don't think it's not. Let me show you something. Watch this. You can easily draw Fibonacci from, let's say, previous swing low. And if you put Fibonacci here, watch this. What does it tell you? Rejection from 78.6. Yeah, sometimes I miss these trades, no-brainer trades, I call them, because for me, those are definitely non-brainers. Watch this. Strong, and it could go up a little bit now. I think it could go up because of euro dollar also. It's going down. They are negatively correlated. But now they had a positive correlation just because of yen. But we will see after the FOMC. I don't think there should be any big surprises. But definitely we need to wait and see. But 78.6, guys, this zone is now support. I would also sell the GBP dollar. GBP dollar was a bit, I can say, nasty yesterday, because first it went up, then it rejected down, and it was a heavy rejection. Usually when a retracement is strong, then usually next trend move is even stronger. And that happened to GBP dollar. And again, if you read my analysis, and if you followed my prediction on FX Street poll, you know that I was very, very bearish with the GBP dollar, guys. And it was basically due to the fact that I predicted that the price should drop. But I didn't expect, honestly, that the price will retrace that much yesterday. It hit 34 and then it dropped like a stone. So basically we did some good trades on shorting the GBP dollar, but I thought it should be a bit better. And yes, now I will show you. Yeah, this was previous Friday, last Friday. The cable has formed a megaphone pattern, but it's going down, and I predicted it will go down. And even lower. I said 34.20, but it dropped even lower. Yeah, megaphone is a nasty pattern, guys. Definitely. Yeah, so on GBP dollar, this is it, guys. Big drop. This is 4-hour time frame. This ATR confluence with monthly L4 hasn't been retested yet, but the price proceeded with a takeoff from this spot. So I guess if the price, because it's a strong downtrend, now if the price gets here, because this is an order block, okay, this is order block here, double bottom, big spike before the move down, I guess 33.50 could reject it. Be careful though, this could be a nice trade, but it can also be a scalp trade. So you need to be wary and watch what it will do, but I think this could be a good trade. And I think it should even drop further. Especially if you go to 4-hour time frame. Okay, and you see this is weekly L5, but it looks like it's gonna break it today, maybe, I don't know, maybe tomorrow or Friday. But guys, monthly L5, and now it's month end, 23rd of May. Okay, so we still have like 7 more days, and the price is going maybe to 30.97 because this is monthly L5. So if it wants to go down, it should do it this month, because next month these monthly levels will change. And between 33.11 and 30.97, it's 32.50. It's a rounded number, and rounded numbers are always targets for bank traders. Banks like them a lot, guys. Really, those definitely those rounded numbers can be very good. Watch this. This was a megaphone, and I don't like this, guys. I usually lose my trades if I trade megaphone. You see, I'm not a good megaphone trader, because to me this is just an expanding bottom, and prices can go a lot to the upside, a lot to the downside, and there is no clear trend. The trend is generally bearish, but when you see these guys, you ask yourself, especially if you trade on intraday time frames. I'm not talking about swing trades. I'm talking from intraday perspective. When you see a megaphone, it's hard to trade, guys, because there is no clear trend. Guled is asking, typically with a megaphone pattern, does price break lower? No, because you can have a megaphone on the top, and the price will go up and down, and then it can go just above the previous top. This was megaphone bottom, but I was a bit confused here because this looked here like the price is retracing, guys. 20 took almost 150 pips. Then it dropped, then it spiked again. So especially from these points, I don't like this, and we can expand this megaphone, guys. This is also megaphone. You see, not good a pair to trade. This megaphone was dangerous, and I don't like to trade it. And I don't like when I'm trapped into a megaphone pattern trade. But unfortunately, I managed to get out from this drawdown caused by this megaphone, and I'm on a very positive track again. Ernesto, send me an email and I will explain. My email is tarantulafx@gmail.com. So just send an email, and yeah, I will definitely explain how to get it. Okay. Gmail.com. Okay. So it's a Gmail, tarantulafx@gmail.com. Okay. Of course, .com. Yeah. Okay. So, I'm always comparing the price related to Camarillas, because then Camarillas tell me if I still have room till next support or resistance. And here, if I see a 4-hour close below 33.11, I know that the price still has the room towards 30.97 this month, and this is next 7 days, because then the price will probably go to monthly L5. Monthly levels change once per month, weekly levels change once per week, and daily levels change once per day. So guys, this is it. Let's see, if you want to trade it, follow these trading ideas. If you have any question, it's a good time to ask me now. But definitely here is, we have a euro dollar downtrend, and we also have a GBP dollar downtrend. And guys, what we want is to sell now, guys. Now we want to sell. It's a selling time, and I hope that we will get some nice pips. Okay, hopefully, yeah. Okay, so I don't see any questions, so everything is clear, I guess. I think everything is clear. So this is euro dollar setup. Guled is asking about GBP Australian dollar. Okay, and this is GBP dollar and GBP Australian dollar and gold. Okay, gold is here. Yeah, as I said, risk of gold is going up, and you see how gold actually broke through this. This was basically a bearish flag, but the price went up, so it's normal because of the safe haven. So I guess the price indeed could reject if it, okay, it's clear. If it doesn't break this top here, it should be bearish again. But ultimately, I would say that, let's see, 1 hour time frame, it's not clear. Yeah, it's those are rejections. So double bottom here, it should hold. If this double bottom hold, then 4 hour time frame should even go higher, because this looks, to me, this looks bullish at this point. Just give me a few seconds to make it Yeah, it would ideally be good that 4-hour candle closes above this trend line here, and then you will also see it on a 1-hour time frame. The price should, you see, it should go more to the upside. If it gets back into the range, then it will be trapped into this downward channel like a flag. Yeah, sell, Sean. Indeed, I am made a typo. Yeah, this is sell. Indeed, this is typo, guys. I mean, wait, I will correct it. Definitely a typo. So it's a sell GBP dollar. Yes. Thanks for spotting, Sean. Let me show you. Okay, this is corrected slide. GBP dollar sell, indeed. And my thoughts on the GBP AUD. Yeah, I know it was a big drop and the price hasn't corrected yet. Obviously very, very bearish. I would wait for a retest of this order block previous double bottom. So wait for a retest, maybe on 15-minute time frame, and see if, yeah, but you see the price is already making a retest. I think this should go more down. I think this should go more down, definitely. Gullet. Yeah, probably more downside here. Yeah, I've been short since 1.80. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Nice trade of the month. Excellent, Gullet. Well done. Yeah, I mean, this was a huge drop. Huge. And I congratulate you for holding on to a trade, because it's not easy not to book profits. It's always, you need to double think. Should you book a profit, or should I book the profit, or maybe I should let the profit run? Yeah, Kalian, I agree with you. He was very, very brave. Excellent. Well, I hope that I also helped your bravery, because, yeah, I know that you've been a long time member of my webinar, so yeah, I hoped. Yeah, for me, anywhere between 20 and 80 pips per trade per day is okay, because I mostly trade intraday. So it's still good. Okay, guys. Yeah, Gulad is saying, of course, your teaching helped. Thanks a lot. And I'm very happy to see these comments, guys. So that's it, guys. Watch for FOMC, watch for the Fed, watch for the US dollar today. Big news coming in, and I hope that these setups will be fruitful. Even if you are caught into these setups and you know that there is some important news, try to protect your profits. I hope that we will make something out of it. Also, guys, one more thing. I might go into WTI long trade soon. This is 4-hour time frame, and 4-hour is still bullish. This big blue candle looks to me like the price could go more to the upside. It's currently below weekly H3, but we might see even a retest of weekly LH3. Let's see. Just give me one more minute. Maybe I will make a buy trade. Let's see. 0.30 is actually 3 lots. WTI is a little bit different. You don't trade it as currencies. Basically, 0.30 on Forex is 3 lots on WTI on our Admiral Markets platform. So, yeah, I guess next candle, guys, will be crucial. If just watch it, guys, 15-minute time frame, and watch this. If the price breaks this trend line here, I think I will go long, but I want to see a close, next 15-minute close above this trend line here. Of course, this is also big, so ideally the price will close above this, and then we might go long. Wait for this and probably trade it to the long side. Let's see, guys. Thank you, and talk to you soon, guys. Cheers. Trade safe.